Hello artists! Today, let's make some ocean animals out of different shapes. I am going to start with one of my construction paper crayons. These are great because you can see them on the black paper. I'm going to use a circle or an oval for my fish body. Some triangles add details like fins. I am also going to add an eye and a mouth and things like scales with some different colors. You can decorate your ocean animal how you want because you are the artist. Here, I am going to use an oval and some triangles to make something like a shark. Here I am going to use a big circle to create the body of an octopus. Some wavy lines will help me make all of the legs. How many legs does an octopus have? That's right, 8 little legs. I need to make sure I got all of those in there. It's actually 6 arms and 2 legs, so 8 altogether. Here, I am going to use pointy shapes like a diamond or a rhombus and triangles to make something like an angelfish. I am going to decorate with more patterns and different colors. Now that you have decided what ocean animal you want to draw, we are going to cut out our animal with our scissors. Remember, your thumb goes in the small circle and your fingers go in the big oval. Open, close, and point those scissors away from you while you cut. Remember, it's okay to turn your paper so that you can get in those small spaces. Now that I have my shape cut out, I am going to glue it onto my ocean background. I am going to flip over my animal and put my glue on the back using my glue stick. You can see where I drew something on the back and reused my paper. Remember, you want to use enough glue to make it stick, but not so much that you're using up your whole glue stick. Now I'm going to flip it over and press it down onto my paper using my hands. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, put that cover on your glue stick and you're all done.